Waterfall Madman back at ya. My hike today is to Feather Falls, one of my favorite hikes in California. This one here. What the heck? What the heck? I really need to use the restroom. It was very early. I was surprised to find people parked at the trailhead. One car even had Christmas lights on inside of it. What the hey? Going to see that thing today. Don't think it'll be flowing like that. Ready, Squawk? Feather Falls is 410 feet high on the Fall River, one of the best in Northern California outside Yosemite. The Feather Falls Scenic Area was established in 1965. The sign at the trailhead still says it's the 6th highest in the United States, but we know that is not true, right? Hiking in the dark. Almost light though. This tree always scares me in the dark. I think there's a lion, mountain lion in it somewhere. Okay, let's go. Which way to go? I always go on the upper loop, the longer loop to the waterfall, and then the shorter loop on return. If you do it this way, it is mostly downhill, except for the last bit. At 1.7 miles, we come to Fry Creek Falls, a very pretty 20-foot cascade. Shortly after Fry Creek, we come to a viewpoint of Bald Rock Dome, which rises 2,000 feet above the Middle Fork Feather River. Ugh. I came to the second trail junction at 4.1 miles. What's there, Squawk? B. finally, at 4.5 miles, we get to the Feather Falls overlook. Oh yeah! $140 million years ago. Feather Falls has long been thought to be 640 feet high and the sixth highest waterfall in California. But the actual height is 410 feet, measured by me, the waterfall Madman. After the overlook, I went on to the top of the waterfall to see it from the brink. Okay, that's a little freaky. Back at the trail junction, I shed my clothes and ate some lunch. Crap, that was a loud sound. A jet flew overhead of me, going faster than the speed of sound. It was so loud. Wow. Okay, Squawk, ready to go back? Yes, I am. Alrighty, here we go. On the return trip, I took the shorter loop back, 3 miles back to the trailhead from here. After 6.9 miles of hiking, we get back to Fry Creek. Of course, I had to stop at Jake's Burgers in Oroville for lunch. My favorite burger place. Yum.